now for a better look at our forecast today, and a very cool weekend for us too, right?
Yeah, cool night for us tonight too. That's what I'm excited about. It is 70 degrees right now, and guess what? We still have more cooling down to do. We're looking at a low of 66 tonight. It is a windows open night. Let that cool air come on in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for summer to be over. We're looking very clear right now over California. You can see everything's pretty much to the east of us, so we saw a very clear day today. That's going to continue. Our winds are picking up though. You can see the valley pretty quiet, but Lebec, Fraser Park, pretty quiet also. Tehachapi is where we're seeing some winds pick up, along with our desert communities, getting up to those 30-mile-per-hour winds tonight. It'll cool down tomorrow throughout the day, but then tomorrow evening they do pick up again. Not quite as bad as tonight. We're looking at, you know, that 15 to 20-mile-per-hour range for the most part in those same areas, those mountain and desert communities. Tomorrow we're looking at temperatures a little bit warmer than today, but very similar actually. We're in those mid to upper 80s for the most part in the valley. Our mountain communities a little bit cooler. Pine Mountain Club's looking at 78, Fraser Park 73 for tomorrow. Tehachapi 71 degrees. Lake Isabella, Kern River Valley looking at those 80s for the most part, and we're also in those 80s in our desert communities, so nice and cool. Oh my gosh, we are so excited. Breaking down your day tomorrow. We're starting our day 66 degrees right at that sunrise, heating up to that 86, 87 degrees by 4 or 5 p.m. So it's going to be another nice one. Our air quality also is going to be good. We are at 47, so we can celebrate that. Tomorrow's going to be a great day to get outside, get some exercise going. Taking a look, this is our last full week of summer. Keep in mind, Friday starts fall, so our last week of summer, and we are in the 80s for the most part, only dipping into the 90s on Sunday, but for the most part, stay nice and cool. Maybe even getting into those upper Sundays or 70s on Wednesday, excuse me. So we're looking at that roller coaster heating up to 90, which is still below average, cooling on down, and then getting into those fall temperatures. Our Kern River Valley is looking at those 80s for the most part, dropping into those 70s. Tehachapi is looking at those 70s and then into the 60s actually. Fraser Park also in the 70s and then dipping on down into the 60s. So I think we can celebrate a good last week of summer.
Yeah, it definitely feels good to say that we are actually going to have 80-degree temperatures for our weekend.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Oh, it's going to be amazing.
It's already feeling good. All right, thanks, Leah. All right, seeing high